The first lesson, hunting at night, the best chance to approach unseen on the open plains. They usually start out separately, often stopping to listen closely. The impalas are too fast for them. But the young lionesses have noticed something else. Topi, and they haven't sensed the predator's presence. Neither predator nor prey can see much. They orient themselves almost entirely by their hearing. Her sister targets the antelopes too, approaching from the opposite side. The sound of the first attacker's tread gives her away. The antelopes are too fast for her. But her sister is in position in time. A perfect ambush.